goodness gracious, great mail coming. Hey, here it is. One and only. Mail call, mail call, mail call. So, suck it to me, baby. Suck it. Come on now. Let's get the real deal going. All right. It's mojo time. Get your pen. Fill it up with ink. And have a inky dinky time. So, here we go. In here I got a, thank you for your purchase from Amazon. What is it? I thought it was it is. I didn't know it came from Amazon, Mr. Announcer. I thought it came from China. I thought it was going to come from China. But it came from Amazon? Okay. That's interesting. And here is his beautiful fountain pen. Isn't it gorgeous?
That's nice.
Beautiful fountain pen. And that's how I'm going to leave it, just like that, till the review comes up.
Now, that, a little odd perhaps, but that calls to mind for me the Partridge Family bus.
That would be a good assumption. And it also reminded me, I saw a pen. I'll have to look it up. There's another pen that looks like this. It doesn't hit me yet, but I think it's a good looking color, if anything. Don't know how it writes or anything else till I get into the pen. So, I'm going to let my friend say hello. He's got to say hello. As you know, he's a banana freak, and he sings. You good? He taught that from y'all. Okay, folks. Peace, love. Gotta go. See ya. Don't want to be a mojo. Later.